What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to copy trade on BULLX. Now to do that, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now to do that, what we need to do is head over to BULLX and here select a token that you want to copy trade, and after you select the token, for example here I have selected this token Hamey, and what I can do is I can head over to Scan and I can search this token right here. I can keep track of the transactions. From here I can select any random wallet that I want to copy trade, for example this one. And for today's video we'll be using Trojan bot on Solana on Telegram in order to copy our trades. Hit the start button, and once you do that you'll see these couple of options right here. On above you have your available balance present on your Trojan Solana wallet, and we can click on this copy trade option in order to start copy trading. Here we'll select new, and now here what we need to do is we need to go and select the wallet. First we can add tag to our copy trade. For example here I'm will just write the name Hemi, the token I'm being using in this video, and we can click on targeted wallet, and now we need a targeted wallet address in order to start copy trading on it. I have pasted the address right here. We can head over to the advanced features, and here you guys can adjust these according to your preference, while the default ones are also okay if you're okay with that. On the final step is clicking on that button, and once we do that, here you can see our wallet is successfully added in copy trade and the status is active. But that's how you can do it. That's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.